Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. This is how we spent our Thanksgiving. We had dinner at my sister's house and we had lots of food like oxtails, baked chicken, pasta, fish, fried chicken, a huge turkey, and everyone came over and enjoyed their time. We are so thankful we got to spend it with family. How was your Thanksgiving? Let us know in the comments below. We also had a dessert table that was filled with cupcakes, banana bread, pumpkin pie, apple pie. I think we also had 2 pumpkin pies and a cheesecake. So after dinner, we started to clean up. Some of us were packing out the dishes and some of us were playing Uno. The next day, we went to Michael's looking for green Christmas ornaments to go on our Christmas tree, but we actually didn't end up finding the ones we wanted, so we just ordered them off of Amazon. The following day, after all our packages from Amazon came in, we began setting up the Christmas tree. Today we only did the tree, but we still have the curtains and the rest of the living room to do, but stay tuned, we'll have another video for that.